Yes, welcome once again to another package, another RNG of Football Republic FPL Fantasy Premier League. And we don't inside studio to give you all the latest that's to happen for March week 16. My name is Natimi, and the guy with me, as always, the one and only LJ himself, the expert of FPL. LJ Moku Shepali entered the match as the standout performance, and make I first start, make I attack you first. I talk and say,
attack me. I'll take it.
Conor Gallagher.
Attack me.
Conor Gallagher, that guy. Even I won't come out time. They're very careful and they give us points.
Yeah, he give points. Kudos to the managers who still get by this time of the season after the previous game weeks we never to perform well. Man, I don't expect him. I doubt him last week, but today we say I'd bury my head in shame. Okay, but good week for him. One of the person surprised me very, very well on James Maddison. I don't expect from him because yesterday one kind of very bad form, but on point, 1 goal, 2 assists. Best way if you ask for your midfielder.
And talking about another player we shine, you guys talk about Aaron Ramsdale. People know they talk, say maybe if Arsenal go pick their new captain, maybe if they among the people, then where they go reason to become captain, and that one feel even ginger more points from Ram.
True, but for the captain, but I not to say they go look him to be captain. I just newcomer for the team. He said he's just trying to settle in for the team. We get old comers to the like I said, they do that day for him final year of his contract. But I don't think say, but Ramsdale, kudos to Ramsdale. Since they make saves according to the, and he keep clean sheet against Southampton.
But if you get Ramsdale, if you get Martinez, who you go pick as in for your start?
Right now, the two of them look like, but for a cheaper option, Ramsdale I will go for because Ramsdale is cheaper than Martinez. Yeah.
And another player, we get another standout performer, Yuri Tillemans. He scored one of the penalties for Leicester win. Like we talked, Conor Gallagher too, another fantastic player. Gabriel for Arsenal.
He scored goal and then keep clean sheets, 11 points, massive, 5.2 defender, man, that's very, very massive. And for people who don't get Cancelo, because Cancelo already serving match suspension, so hopefully he'll come back for the weekend games.
So maybe pick him or pick Cancelo.
Now, personally, if you looking but for 5.2, if you want a waiting they call him Arsenal defender, I think the best bet now to go for Ben White because he'll give you clean sheet now 4.5. You know,
because Ben White go always start and he always cheaper. Cheaper. Thank you very much for that one, LG. And then moving on to the next RNG, we talk about players and we go there available for match week 18. Moku start with Kelechi Iheanacho last match. You know, even the bench at all. Passing Daka, and be star performer. Evans, that match too. Evans gets visual.
They can't pull hamstring. They can't carry and come out for the game. So, if you complete the game. We friendly, they can't go talking for defense. Hopefully, he will come back soon. But we know they expect him to come anytime soon. So, if you be manager, we get time for your team now to move him out.
And then talking about Richarlison, apart from wound yourself, you don't fight with him coach. When they come out in the para.
The coach guys tell press, say, in the assessor, say, don't tell him before saying just 5 minutes, you give him for second half. But Richarlison always want to play football. Like the guy to like ball. Now, Brazilian, to like ball. He won't play every time. And but in the out now.
Who will go back now for Patrick Bamford? Last season, I be the star man for Leeds, always delivering the goals. But this time, I don't know. He play one, he get injury. He play another one, he get injury. What did they happen?
In start season, man. I don't know if you understand. He start the last game and he score before he can't get injury for training again. Now, done they out. We don't even know when he will come back. Hopefully, he go feel knock off the injury and then come back playing. Because I need buffer for my team. Now, chief striker, we say, he always drops some kind of things. But they hopefully come back quick too.
Hopefully Bamford will come back. And then moving on to the next RNG teams with the best holiday fixtures, like we talked last week.
The ho fixtures.
We'll not talk say this period between now and January will be very tough for some of these teams. But Moku just sharply check some of the teams. West Ham United, then get Norwich, then get Southampton, then get Watford. Easy games for them, if you ask me.
Yeah, easy games with the kind of form West Ham did. That games we expect them to win. And then some of the players we're going to bring in for their team now. Maybe now time to look at Antonio. You know they go drought now. Maybe for these next 4 games, if you just quickly rush 1 or 2 based on Antonio things.
I know. Say Tottenham. They are at least out of these. Their 4 games. They get easy games. So to say, but Liverpool not go easy for them.
Yeah, Liverpool not go easy for them at all. Hopefully, Antonio Conte go try one point come on for the game. Now they go try to be there because I'm not sure that if he beats Liverpool team. So now draw last we'll collect 1 point for the team. But players like Son Heung-min, I know they think
They
of
go
Harry
step
Kane
up.
right now. So, but Son Heung-min a cheaper option and a midfielder, so he go fit give you points against Crystal Palace, Southampton, and Watford moving forward.
And then talking about Aston Villa, Oli Watkins scored goal the last time.
Yeah, scored 2 assists.
And then they can't get easy game against Chelsea. Maybe if he had small bots, Gerrard, another fantastic coach.
Yeah, the way with Gerrard he set up that team, man. You like say,
it makes sense. You go pick some of their players.
I like how they do it. And the fact that they concede too much, then be this thing against Liverpool. Liverpool just need only penalties to beat them. So then they defend well. Now time to look into their defenders. Somewhere like Matty Cash or Matt Target.
Just to Konsa. Remember Konsa too.
Konsa score, but then if you need attacking returns from your defender, either Target or Cash. Now you're going to look forward to. And their fixtures is sweet, especially against Leeds United. I'm going to look forward to what they're going to do for that game.
How about Tyrone Mings for Aston Villa too?
Tyrone Mings is a good choice, but they hardly deliver. So if they don't keep clean sheets, Tyrone Mings is the best way you need to get for your team.
Yeah, and for Manchester City, definitely Foden.
Every game look like a win for Man City these days. No, every game,
everybody is goal.
Every game,
Kevin De Bruyne, they don't come back with force and everything. And you look at run of games: Newcastle, Leicester, Brentford, Arsenal. I don't see anybody we go.
Truthfully, I don't see anybody beating City for any of these games. But if you want to bring any City player in, Phil Foden, a person you're supposed to need to bring in. If you don't get cancelled before you're sleeping on a bicycle, just know that. Kevin De Bruyne don't come into form again. No, we don't know what to do. But not just in price, not going to scare people. But looking forward after the festive period, January, when Salah go Nations Cup, maybe we'll go feed a look about swapping De Bruyne for Salah.
So for Salah, right?
Yeah.
So in between Salah and De Bruyne, one of them will go come for him.
Yeah, so just bring one of them in to take.
But still talking about Bruno Fernandes, Mo just sharply talk about Bruno Fernandes. What do you think about him? Remove him or still let him in?
If you never remove him, you try. You get faith. I swear, your faith go move mountain. Because if you never move on since after the hat-trick run, he do 1 or 2 assists, he missed penalty. Since after the Villa game, if you still keep him for your team,
you're on the long team.
Because the truth is this, the penalties now don't come off for your hand.
Yeah.
Obviously, because Ronaldo they play him now, so except he do assist or he score a goal, which never happened in recent time. And then the new manager is trying to shuffle the system. You never know what they happen. You better, if you won't get any what's it called, points. Man United players, just go for Ronaldo, because now he look like he's go score goal.
Expect, don't talk. LJ don't say, just if you never come up Bruno Fernandes, come out the likes of Kevin De Bruyne did, the likes of even Salah still makes sense. But we sharply move on to player differentials. The guys then will be say we no expect, but they make the points.
We never experiment.
Yeah, we'll never experiment it, man. But they are delivering, man. Maybe I start with Demarai Gray. Benitez bring him back based on he believes that the guy go score goal, and the guy, like it or not, they score goal. He got scream away and score against, was it Arsenal? Yeah. Really bring him to limelight. He got one betting sites why he been did that time. He say the next person to score now Demarai Gray, and truly, bam, the guy score. But talking about Demarai Gray, 5.6 million, good value for money.
Very, very, very good value for money. Like say everything attacking wise really happen well for Everton through him, and you go see against the game against Crystal Palace over the weekend. To perform for the game. He's saying then lose the game, and even get better sharp attacking this thing. Although he get some chance where they're supposed to score for an easy chance, but they no do him. But Demarai Gray a very good person to get for your league if for your team if you don't get him.
And against Leicester City.
And against Leicester now expansive football, both of them go play. So spaces go there. And you get point to prove to Leicester say send me, I'm back again.
How about Jarrod Bowen? We've been talking about him too last time. Say more or less not team player, but hey, you never can tell when you go rise up. Norwich, another beatable team, whipping boys.
Yeah, it used to be whipping boys, but right now
everybody beats them.
But right now they're not strong.
Everybody beats them.
You guys need penalties for Ronaldo to be win. Yeah, 2-0. But then Jarrod Bowen, a person will give you hard work, will give you effort, and if chances there, we know say for sure he go convert them. So for Antonio to come back to form, we expect people like Jarrod Bowen to drop the passes and make sure say chances go they created. For
so at least he will get Helep goal.
That's all.
Okay, one more player for that differential. Talking about James Maddison. We just talk about him too.
Not so premium midfielder, but then he go deliver well. Now, one of the players where I try shuffle my team to bring him in for the last game. Now just indecision. I make me leave Jota for that particular game week because I don't already swap the two of them. I won't get 4 points, minus 4 points hit. I don't swap them, but Colin say, do I want to have that -5? I just leave them. Now to make me leave them. And then he showed me, say, you for make up your mind with 16 points.
You regret it. You will regret it.
I regret them.
Okay, moving on to the next RNG and game week 18 captain picks. Last week we talked about Ronaldo. Penalty, Naimi, you score. You say we'll drop Salah. Say Salah Fino score goal, but he score penalty.
He score penalty, but at the end of the day, Ronaldo get the 3 bonus points, making them 9 points, and Salah just get at least, I think, 7 points. Yeah, 7 points for the game week. So it's
still balanced.
Ronaldo still come up on top, even though better players were there to captain.
Exactly. So this week now, what's going to be your picks for captain?
My pick for captain, I never know the whole COVID situation for Man United. If they're going to see their game against Brighton this weekend, go ahead or not for Old Trafford, and whenever we need to watch and see if that will happen.
Actually, their game against Brentford and cancel them.
Yeah, they cancel them. So the next game now Brighton they play. So I don't know if that will happen. So right now, my crystal ball still they go. If you get Salah for your team, just captain Salah.
Captain Salah.
Now the simple rule be that if you get Salah for your team, captain that, because if you go FOMO and you miss out on him,
well, I'll be like Kokoshu. Yes, and talking about the next RNG will get for now, who go fit to win our jersey and also win 3,000 naira airtime? Remember, if you predict and win for this one, who will be the 3 players with the highest points this game week 18? Just put them for the comment section for inside this our channel so that we go see who the winners are, who fi predict, who fi get those points. You know them by heart, or maybe you know them by what they don't play. Just tell us. Make I sharply ask LJ again one more time. Oh yeah, now who go fi be highest points?
My mind they go for goalkeeper Ederson. I dey see Ederson. They play Newcastle this midweek.
But you know go make saves now. Newcastle no go threaten them too much.
And 9 be the point. The thing is, Ederson they predict saying go give assist for that game. My crystal ball they tell me say if you just take the ball, slam and person go meet him and score and assist. Yes, I target assist.
Wait, how many points they give goalkeepers for assist?
5 points.
Wow, that's huge, man.
So you get 5 points plus clean sheets, 6 points.
Then
so that's
make 2 or 3 saves.
He just need to give the assist.
Aye,
then he go dey contender for bonus points.
Aye,
which is one of the things where I always look out
now,
for.
Now, reason Ederson, he talk about Ederson. So maybe, just maybe, Ederson will be the man we go give you points. Just reason according to LJ. You remember, I'm the expert here. Okay, so my people, now here we will end the matter. LJ, thank you so much for coming again to Football Republic FPL, and also to our fans and watchers and listeners too. I remember, so if you subscribe to our channel, Football Republic NG, Republic with a K, and I'm the channel for YouTube, and also remember for Spotify and all that platforms for your podcast if you get this recording. And remember, say yes, we will still come your way next week to give now all the Central news about FPL. Until I enter my again next time, my name is Gotanda Simi, the Pidgin commentator of the Federal Republic, signing out. Now, bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, Gary.